million children, creating the multiplier effect on local economies in communities where these schools are located by boosting agriculture, entrepreneurship, and employment. Just for emphasis, the Homegrown School Feeding Program has 4 main benefits. 1, it will improve school enrollment and completion and curb the current dropout rates from primary schools estimated at 30% and thereby also reduce child labor. 2, it will improve child nutrition and health. As a result of poverty, many children have poor nutrition and worrying health status, which affects learning outcomes. The program aims to address these. It will also increase local agricultural production. It will not only increase production, but provide structural demand for agricultural produce, and thus create local economies that have a ready-made market for their produce and guarantee profit. Finally, it will create jobs that will lift families over the poverty line and into a brighter future. We are committed to ensuring that all these benefits are not just a good pitch, but become real and bring desirable change in the lives of our people and in our communities.